One of the things I love to eat during tailgating is chicken wings. I like all kinds of flavors. Today we're gonna make it quick and easy. Carolina BBQ sauce. We're gonna do a tequila and lime, and we're gonna do a really dynamite Asian. Now, how do we make this easy? Well, you take the frozen chicken wings that you get at the store, pop them in the oven, and cook them at home. Cool them down, and then bring them with you come game time. Now, all I'm gonna need to do with these is throw these bad boys on the grill, heat them up, and when they're done, drop them into the sauce of choice. So I've got my wings ready, time to make the sauces. Now, the first one we're gonna work on is gonna be the Asian. These resealable bags work perfect. I like to get the freezer version because they're a lot sturdier. To start off with a little bit of soy sauce and some honey, lime juice. Roll that lime out, make sure you get all the juice from it. Some orange juice. You want to see an orange juice press. Fresh grated ginger, chili garlic sauce for a little bit of heat, a little sesame oil, just a touch, oregano, a little cumin, a touch of cayenne, a little granulated garlic, last but not least, some oyster sauce. Kind of mix this all up together. Now it's time to make the delicious Tequila-lime. Some lime juice. Fresh is better. Some tequila, some agave nectar for a little sweetness, a little lime zest, and the real lime flavor comes out of the zest. A little cumin, chipotle peppers, smoked jalapeno peppers that sit in a sauce called adobo, which is kind of a spicy tomato sauce. Just a touch of that. A little black pepper, a touch of salt. Dynamite flavors. With that agave syrup on there, it's gonna be delicious. Now we're gonna make one of my favorites, the Carolina BBQ sauce. A little bit of sweetness and a lot of vinegar. Start this off with some ketchup, some red wine vinegar, a little red chili flake, some chipotle sauce for the adobo, a little dried mustard, some granulated garlic, just a little bit of sugar. And a little mix. Made ahead of time, Carolina BBQ sauce, the Tequila-lime, and the Asian. So with these all made at home and wings in hand, all you need is a hot grill and you're on. So check that out. Now reheated and these are ready to go. Good stuff. Now for those great sauces that we made ahead of time. Here's the Asian. About a third of these wings are gonna go in here. Take a look at that. Look at all that flavor. The Tequila-lime with a little bit of that chipotle. You should smell this. Now the Carolina BBQ. So there we go. 4 dishes, quick and easy, made them at home, brought them to the tailgate, heated them up, and tell me that's not money. Look at that dip right there. All these recipes are available to you, foodnetwork.com. Go tailgating.